Foreign students of Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria has expressed satisfaction with the level of seriousness of the university in its efforts to achieve excellence in areas of research and innovation. The students, who hailed from Palestine, Pakistan, Libya, and Chad, made the complimentary remarks on Saturday, the 15th of July 2023, at the closing ceremony of the Students' Week program organized by the university. In separate remarks, the students, who lauded MAAUN for its state-of-the-art facility, sound facilities, and standard academic system, also described the institution as a domain of talented faculty members, researchers, and students. During the occasion, awards and certificates were presented to the best performing students who exhibited exceptional skills and abilities during the Students' Week program. The awards were presented by the founder of the university, Professor Adamu Abubakar, to the students who clinched first, second, and third positions in the various competitions that were keenly contested during the 6-day program. The event, being the last day of Students' Week program, was organized to honor Professor Gwarzo in recognition of his unwavering support and contributions to the development of the society. Some of the activities presented during the occasion include speeches of renowned icon by students, bilingual drama, Gwarzo performance, and live performance of prominent artists in the music industry. In his remarks, Professor Gwarzo lauded all the participating students for their incredible performances while urging them to be focused on whatever they do in order to achieve their dreams in life. He described the degree of creativity and scholarship of MAAUN students as one beyond measure, while expressing optimism that the students would, upon graduating, become employers of labor and solution providers. Professor Gwarzo also extended deepest appreciation to the organizing committee of the program, who worked round the clock to ensure the success of the program. In his vote of thanks, the Vice President Administration, Dr. Habib Awais Abubakar, thanked the organizers, students, staff, and the invited guests for their contribution to making the week-long program a colorful and successful one. Other management staff members who attended the closing ceremony were President of the University, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr, Vice President Campus Life Dr. Hamza Garba, Director Academic Planning and Quality Assurance Dr. Noor Yaro, and Secretary General of the Association of Africa Private Universities Professor Sadiq Haruna. Also in attendance were the Vice Chancellor Franco-British International University Kaduna, Professor Abdullahi Sabo, and Head of International Office Engineer Bashir Garba, among others.